Hi everyone, hope you guys are fine. Today we are going to discuss some operations on array and array of objects we usually stuck in our daily routine. So let's get started. We have the following topics in our line. So our first topic is remove duplicates from an array. So we have the sample array. Let's console this out. It is you can see it is currently returning 2 multiple times, so but we do not need 2 again and again. So let's remove the duplicate. We are going to perform an array operation called set constructor. So what it does, it removes duplicate from our array. You can see the number 2 is not repeating. Our second topic is related to removing duplicates from an array of objects. So we have our sample array of object. Let's copy this. Let's see what is the output. You can see it is returning all these 3 objects, but we only need unique objects. You can see the ID 2 is repeated in first and the third object. So we are going to simply do a filter operation and then find index of this object. So let's do a filter. Item filter provides us item, index and array. So if I just return the item or true, it will return all these objects. It will iterate over all the object one by one. So we do not need item, we need to add a condition over there. So we are going to add a findIndex. Array dot find index. findIndex returns an index which matches the condition. So let's add the condition. We will have item to item dot id equals to we need to add the item to extract item 2 from findIndex, and item dot id equals to item 2.id. It is going to match our filter item and findIndex item id in all iteration, and it will match this index with our main filter index. So let's save this, and yeah, our duplicated array is removed. You can see, let me recap this. We have done filter over this object. Filter is iterating one by one, and then we are trying to find index of all the items, and then we are going to match the IDs of all the objects and matching it with our filter index. So that's it. Okay guys, we have covered these 2 topics. Our third topic is extracting specific fields of object in an array. It is just simple map. So let's do it quickly. Topic 234.map item. Okay, so our current scenario is we only need name and description from all these objects. So what we are going to do, we are going to return a name, item dot name, and then description, and description will be item dot description. Simply save it, run it, and here it is. We have successfully extracted name and description field. What we have done, we have done nothing. We have just got the item and extracted these 2 fields. Okay, so this is covered. Our fourth topic is convert nested array to flat array. Okay, so for suppose we have, okay, I don't have this data, so okay, let abc is equal to an array a, b, and then we have another array which contains a c. Maybe you have another array hell which can consist over multiple times. So what we have to do, we want only the simple array which return a, b and c at once. So we will do abc dot flat, and in which depth we are going to make a depth of 1 2 0 1 and this 2 depth. So let's do, yeah, it is returning abc. You can do the nesting, you can do further nesting and increase the count over there. So this is also covered. Our another topic is convert nested array to a single array. Okay, so we have the nested array, we have one array, and then we have object, and then we have an array. We have to convert, we have, what we need is, we need this array on the root level, right? So what we will do is simply topics 2 3 4 dot, we will do a flat map. Previously we did flat to go the depth of arrays. Now we are going to do a flat map to get the depth array in the object, in array, right? So let's do this, and what we need is item dot projects. Simply console this. Okay, we have got this array. But what if we need to map the name alongside this project, so that I can confirm this campus equipment is made by which developer? So for this we are going to add a simple map dot map, and we will have the value, and we will return this by round parenthesis, round bracket, and what we need is all the values, and then what we need, a developer name. So we will do a developer, and we will return item dot name. You can see it is a specific item and then item dot name. So let's save this. Yeah, cool. We have successfully retrieved our projects and our name with flatMap. Okay guys, so our next topic is calculating sum average of an particular field from an array of object. Okay, so for suppose we want to calculate the total age of, or we can say age of all these objects, right? So we are going to use topic topic dot reduce. What it does is it provides us previous value, current value, index, and array. Okay, so what we need is previous value plus equals to current dot age. I'm calculating age, you can calculate salary or whatever field you want. Okay, if I run at this stage, it is going to give me an object. So let's run this. You can see it is providing me the object because the previous one for this object will be undefined or null. So what we are going to do is wrap this and provide it a initial value of 0. So the initial value will be 0, and then it is going to add the current age in 0, right? So let's save this and run. Yeah, you can see total of all ages is 76. What if I need the average age group of all these objects? So simply we are going to divide the current age with array dot length. So it is going to return me the average. You can see 25, average of 28, 26, and 22 will be 25. So our next topic, we have covered sum and average. Our next topic is find a particular object in an array of objects from a simple condition. Okay, so this is just a simple condition. I need this object from all these objects, so I will do the topics dot find, simply the find method, and we'll provide item and item dot id equals to 2. It will provide me the object which id contains 2. You can see the first one which id contains a true 2, right? So this is also done. Okay, so this is, I believe, something advanced for this stage, creating your own function from an array such as map filter. Basically, let me give you a brief overview. You can create the prototype and you can then use this. So let me just give you an overview. If you want to add a prototype for array, so you can just do array dot prototype and then provide a name like Farhan equals to a function, and then do whatever you want. You can bring this like you are creating a filter map, so you can filter and then map, and you can return over there whatever condition you are going to do. So feel free to leave a comment if you want me to create a video on this topic, like create your own prototype. You can create your own prototype, like if I create this, then I can use this in my function like Farhan and then provide him the condition, right? So feel free to leave a comment if you want me to create a video on this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do leave a comment so that I can know you enjoyed or not my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.